Now to a CBS 4 News health alert, and state officials say hepatitis A is sweeping across Florida, posing a threat to the public and forcing officials to declare a public health emergency. CBS 4's Joan Murray is live in Fort Lauderdale outside the Florida Department of Health with more on what this emergency means for you and your family tonight. Joan.
Well, it is getting to be a real problem. Now, here in South Florida, between Palm Beach, Broward, and Dade, we've had about 81 cases since the beginning of the year. Certainly nothing like they are experiencing on the West Coast in Tampa and Central Florida, Orlando area. They're up to nearly 1,000 cases. But with this declaration of the emergency, it is something we have to keep front and center.
Hepatitis A is exploding in Florida, now exceeding 2,500 cases this year alone, a record. It's killed 4 people north of us in Martin County, including Cindy Collins' husband, Lee.
There's no need for anybody else to pass away from this.
Hepatitis A is a virus spread person to person. It affects your liver.
It's a fecal orally transmitted virus, which means that you can get it from food that's contaminated. You can get it from the hands of someone who's contaminated. It also lives for a long time on surfaces.
Symptoms include abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, dark urine, yellow skin, and eyes. Your best defense, wash your hands with soap and water and get vaccinated.
The people who should be vaccinated include men who have sex with men, people who are going to an area where there is a known outbreak of hepatitis A or where hepatitis A is endemic, and people who are homeless, not a live virus. So anyone can take this vaccine, even pregnant women.
More than a dozen food service workers in Florida have tested positive for hepatitis A, leaving customers at risk.
We felt like it was important for us to spread the word to everyone.
Amanda Hanley is with the Florida Restaurant and Lodging Association, representing thousands of eateries and hotels in the state.
We've been distributing handouts for folks to hang in their kitchens and in their bathrooms and things like that, reminding people of proper hand washing procedures. We've also been speaking with managers and owners and operators about the food code. The Florida food code is very clear about who needs to be excluded from work when they're exhibiting certain signs of illness.
One part of the push to get hepatitis A under control before it spreads any further.
And it was pointed out to me that those alcohol-based hand sanitizers do not kill the hepatitis A virus, so keep that in mind. Best bet, soap and water, wash for 20 seconds, wash frequently. Now, if you want the vaccine, you can get it for free here at the Broward County Health Department during the week, during normal business hours. In Fort Lauderdale, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.